How to replace a fan module on the AFF A70 and AFF A90 family of systems. Determine the status of the controller and, if necessary, take over the impaired controller. If auto support is enabled, suppress automatic case creation by invoking the following auto support message. Ensure that all drives in the chassis are firmly seated against the midplane. Gently push each drive until you feel a positive stop. Ensure you are properly grounded. To remove power, disconnect the power cords from the power supply. Label and remove all system cables. Press down on both of the locking latches and then rotate both latches downward at the same time to remove the controller. Identify the fan module that needs to be replaced. Remove the fan module by pinching the locking tabs on the side of the fan module and then lifting the fan module straight out of the controller module. Insert the replacement fan into the corresponding slot, ensuring that the fan is locked into place. Carefully align and slide the controller module back into the chassis. Ensure that the controller is not engaged with the backplane. Recable the storage system as needed. If you removed the transceivers, QSFP or SFP, remember to reinstall them. Firmly push the controller module into the chassis until it meets the midplane and is fully seated and locked into place. To restore power, plug the power cords back into the power supplies. Boot on tap at the loader prompt. Return the impaired controller to normal operation by giving back its storage. If automatic giveback was disabled, re-enable it. If auto support is enabled, restore and unsuppress automatic case creation. The final step in the fan replacement is to return the failed part back to NetApp by following the RMA instructions shipped with the kit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.